Today I'm going to be reviewing Celestial Echo's probiotic chewable tablets. As you can see right there, promotes nutrient absorption, strengthens the immune system, relieves itchy skin, provides digestive support, promotes intestinal health, and maintains healthy gums. I'd like to thank Celestial Echo for sending this to me to review. I am going to go give this to my dogs. We're going to see if they like it. I love seeing that right there. Made in the USA. I think that's important for supplements for dogs since there's been issues from other countries. And here you go. I'm going to open this up. We're going to get my two dogs over here and let's see if they like it. All right, they are excited. Look at these. They're little hearts. All right, come on, Miley. Who wants a treat? Roomba, sit. Miley. Miley, sit. You want a treat? Sit down. Sit. Oh, look at how excited they are. I'm going to give one to Roomba first. There you go. There you go, Miley. Okay, so it wins the taste test. They had read the instructions and they knew they were getting another one. All right, sit. Sit, Miley, sit. There we go, good girl. Okay, Roomba. All right, there you go. They love it so much they wanted more. I hope this review helps and I'll see you next time.